Hi everybody, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Google notifications aren't working in any of your Android device. So if Google notifications aren't working, you can make them work by following the steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if Google notifications aren't working.